Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically change your Bitmoji on Snapchat. So as you can see, my Bitmoji is on the top left corner of my screen. You are going to just select that, and you are going to basically select the wardrobe clothing hanger icon up there, and you can basically add in accessories here. You can change your t-shirt here. You can add in dresses. Some of them you have to pay for it, like this one, so I'm not going to use that one. There's tops that you can choose from here as well. Just select the one you want to wear, and it's going to be applied there. That took a few minutes to load, that's why. Some of them you can change the color, some of them you can't change the color, like this American Eagle top, you can change the color, so I'm going to change it to this green. Then for the bottom, I'm just going to select maybe this skirt or some shorts, I don't know. You can also change the color of that as well here. You can also change the shoes here as well. There is a lot of options you can choose from. Let's do these. Can add in an outerwear here, a hat, a headwear for this, some accessories as well if you'd like to. Maybe this one, I don't know, just play around with it. Some eyeshadow here. Don't like that color. You can apply blush. You can change the lipstick color. I might make this like that. Maybe this lipstick here. Don't like these options, I'm not gonna lie, so I'll just go with that. And some glasses. Here you can update your Bitmoji and change the hairstyle here. Let's actually remove the accessories. She doesn't look like she's wearing headband at all. Okay, cute. And just experiment with the colors and stuff like that. And here you can again change the hairstyle, the hair color, if you want to have earrings or not, some piercings here and there, eye color, eye shape, etc. The possibilities you have now is endless. They didn't really have that back then. They've now just added a lot of new accessories and stuff like that to basically change your Bitmoji here. Face shape, even the body type here, you can choose that as well. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can change your Bitmoji. You can also see the clothes that you've worn in the past here, and you can use it again, as you can see. But yeah, that is pretty much it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, but it's still not guaranteed. And if you found this video helpful, it'd be nice to just leave a thanks, press a thanks on the description box down below as well. Ooh, I don't know which hair to use. I'm just selecting all the. Okay, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.